Hello everybody, and basically welcome back and a happy new year to 2021. January the 1st, and obviously one of the first things you've got to start doing is clean the greenhouse up from what was left over from last year. So we'll just get you going into the greenhouse. So we've got a few pots and pans to sort out, pots anyway. We've got some hazelnut soaking now. And these I'm soaking because you have to bury these into sand and leave them over winter, so hopefully they'll germinate. These are your horse chestnuts. I've got some early potatoes actually sprouting here. You can just sort of see the shoots coming through. I'm trying to get some really early potatoes up there, so they obviously need planting on. That's what's left of the hanging baskets in the greenhouse. Got a couple of leftover cabbages there, never got planted. A few geraniums, a bit of mint, my dahlias. They're obviously all dry at the moment, and I'm growing some acorns at the moment. See if I can see one with a shoot on it. There we go. Look at that. Where are you? See the shoot growing on that? So hopefully I should get a few acorns off of that, and I'll plant them into pots later on. So, a few more dahlias there in the dry waiting to be started off. I've got some strawberries down there, more dahlias, a bit of parsley, some more geraniums. That was asparagus, 1 year. I'll be planting them back down the plot later on. And that's really basically it. Not a lot else happening at the moment. So, onwards and upwards. January's here. Clean the greenhouse, the birds are happy, all being fed, and the bulbs are coming up there, which is quite good, and some on the table there, they're coming up as well. So I'll see you in the next video. All the best.